Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this like really cool glow video on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to put this all back to the way it was before, and then I'm just going to copy and paste this. So right click copy, right click paste, and then on the second one you're just going to go to basic and select color dodge for the blend mode. Go to media, go to lens, and add in an edge glow as well. You can adjust the glow here. Just going to leave it at like, I don't know, 15, 16. On the second video, you're going to go to cutout, chroma key, and select the color picker and select his skin tone and adjust the strength. Maybe like this much. Then on the first video, go to adjustments, scroll down until you find this option, and you're just going to adjust the brightness, like the contrast as well, and like maybe some of the highlights, and the shadow, and maybe the illumination of it. And I might sharpen it just a little bit so that the rest will look like it's glowing, but the skin tone won't look that much like it's glowing. But you're just going to kind of want to adjust it more if you see that it looks a little bit off. Maybe like that is good. And this is what your video should look like at the end. As you can see, the rest of it is very glowy and stuff, but yeah, if it's not enough, just adjust the edge glow. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!